Hi guys, I'm Tana and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Today I am here to talk about two Malayalam movies that I watched very recently, which were recommended to me by you guys. And both the movies that I watched had a very good start, but honestly, according to me, it lost the plot through the second half of the film and left me disappointed. So first I'm going to talk about Sulekha Manzil, which is currently streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. Now, when I watched the film, I watched it with my mom, and we had two very different opinions. So I'm going to tell you the gist of the film, followed by what we thought about it. So the gist of the film is about two families, out of which there is a couple who is about to get married. And in India, when two people are getting married, the marriage is between two families and not people. So the movie is about that, and the families are both Muslim families who are a bit orthodox, and so they are going through a lot, and the couple has a lot of family pressure. Now the husband, like the groom, is very much in love with the girl, and he's doing everything in his power to like make the girl feel comfortable, enjoy all the stuff that he wants to. And the girl is a bit taken aback, and she's not very sure about the marriage and the relationship, and she's not sure if she even wants to marry him. And it's very evident in her behavior, like she does not even save his number, though they're going to get married the next week. That is the story, and in the end they have a conversation and things work out. So that's what the kind of movie is, and I'm not going too much in detail because I'm sure that most people have watched the film. The problem that I had with the movie was that the start was very nice and you're very invested in the film, but as you progress you realize that it's kind of lost the plot. There are some things which are very confusing because the date was set to something else and then it turned out to be something else in the wedding, and that was a bit confusing, and I was just like, what the hell happened? And I think after like half an hour I still didn't know what the story is and what exactly is happening, what is the movie about, and then it just ended with a conversation and things just happened, and I was not the biggest fan of it. Whereas my mother, she said that while it was happening, like in the start when the guy did not get the girl's attention and everything, he was not liking anything. He was not liking his family members. He was not liking the car that he was supposed to go in. But when things worked out with the girl, suddenly he wore that sherwani and he went in the car that he found really loud and not up to his mark. And she said that when things are happy in your relationship, then you're happy in general with other people as well. But when you're mentally not happy, then you don't like anything in the world. That's what the movie is about. But for me, I think it could have been shown in a better way. I don't know if the direction lost its plot or like the storytelling just didn't sit according to what they were trying to show, but I think it also matters with the kind of maturity level that you and someone who has probably been through something like that go through. And I think that's what the movie was. I wasn't the biggest fan of it did not work for me in many ways, but my mom loved it, so we had two very different opinions while watching the movie. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Did you like it, or did you also feel that it was not up to the mark? And the second movie that honestly made me feel the same is a Fahad Fasil movie, and I started watching the movie because it's a Fahad Fasil film and I really wanted to watch it. But again, the second half of the movie really got me disappointed, and I'm going to talk about it. So the movie's name is Pachuvum Atbhuta Vikkakum. And when I started watching the movie, I loved it. It's about Fahad, who's living in Mumbai, taking care of this pharmacy, and he's struggling to pay its rent, and he wants to own the land, but like he's not being able to when he has his own struggle. And then he goes back home for some work, where the owner of the pharmacy calls him and tells him that when he comes back to Mumbai, he has to get his mother back, and they're coming by train. So it was good till then, and I was pretty much interested. And Fahad is looking to marry this girl, and he's shown as not such a good looking guy, whereas I find Fahad extremely attractive. And he comes back with this old lady in train, and she just jumps off in Goa, and Fahad catches her. So he jumps off too, and then there's a kid who jumps off with them, thinking that is Mumbai. So now these three people are stranded on the station of Goa, and the lady walks away, and Fahad and the kid are like, what are we supposed to do? And then they call the person who owns the pharmacy, and he's on his way to Goa and all of that. Now, when I was watching the movie, I thought that the movie is going to be about three generations who've gone to Goa, and the kind of problems they go through, or it's going to be like a extremely dramatic film with the three of them in Goa and what are the things that they're going to do. And I was expecting very different things, but suddenly the movie just lost its plot, and I was like, what was the story, and what happened, and what went wrong, and why did the plot become like this? Basically, it turned out that the girl was the woman was going to Goa because she wanted to save this house help who used to work in a house and wanted her to study, but her family wanted her to get married, so she just deviates into Goa and wants to save her life. And then there's drama around it, and then suddenly there's a girl whose house she's working in, she has different drama, and Fahad helps her. And I was just confused, and I was like, what the hell? It's a 3-hour movie. I watched it in 2 days because after the point I was just like, this is getting too much and I'm not being able to watch, and it needs to move on from what is showing, and it lost the plot, and I honestly did not enjoy it. I'm sorry, but suddenly I was just not interested in the movie anymore. But I finished it because I wanted to finish it, and I was still expecting few things in the end which did not happen, and I did not like the story. Probably again I'm saying I do not understand. It would be nice if you would make me understand, or if you could tell me that you also thought like that, then I know that we're on the same page. But these are the two movies that I watched very recently where it had a great start, but by the time 1 hour got over, it started losing its plot and I lost all interest in the film. Let me know if you felt like that as well in the comments below, or things that I probably must have missed, because I would love to know and probably rewatch it some other time because they're both 3 hour movies and that's a lot of commitment. But again, thank you for recommending me the movie. This movie is available on Amazon Prime. It stars Fahad Fasil. Again, he's done great acting, so no problem in that. But I think that both the movies are poorly directed, and the director kind of got confused with what his aim was and what he wanted to show, or probably there are movies which were great on script but could not convey what they had to convey in terms of film, is what I personally felt. However, it was again nice watching a film. I always watch it as piece of art and not as a film that entertains me. Do recommend me some more family drama movies and I will let you know what exactly I thought about them in my reviews. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.